Good day folks, welcome to Western Used Vehicles here at 8 Maple Valley Road in Cormac. My name is Stan Tucker and today we're going to do a demonstration of this 2016 Honda Civic Touring. This Honda Civic is nicely equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine. With plenty of power to spare. So this car also comes with two sets of tires. Right now it is winterized, so it has your studded winter tires and rims on there, and a set of alloys and summer tires come with it too as well. So this Honda Civic's equipped with LED headlights, daytime running lights, also fog lights down the bottom, proximity door handle, as well as remote start and keyless remote entry. So this 2016 Honda Civic comes with some great safety features. This car is equipped with the radar cruise adaptive control, lone departure warning, front collision avoidance, auto dimming rear view mirror, airbags in the front, curtain side airbags in the side, sunroof, leather seats front and back are heated. Touchscreen display with Apple Carplay, Bluetooth connectivity, blind spot camera, navigation, backup camera, and it even has wireless charging built in. There's plenty of cargo space in this Honda Civic. Another option of this vehicle is it has 60/40 split folding seats. So if you need some extra room, drop seats down, shove your cargo in, not a problem. So if you'd like to test drive this 2016 Honda Civic Touring, drop by our dealership here at 8 Maple Valley Road in Corner Brook, or you can visit our website, www.westernused.com, and view our 150 quality used vehicles.